Welcome to the Speak Easy English Show.
We're here to help you speak English confidently.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English Show. If you're new here, hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Jessy.
Have you ever stood next to someone, maybe at work, at a party, or in an elevator, and you didn't know what to say?
Maybe you smiled and then looked at your phone?
That is very normal.
And today, we'll help you do small talk in English naturally and confidently.
By the end of this lesson, you will start, continue, and end small talk comfortably. Ready? Let's begin. Here is the plan. 1. What small talk is? 2. Safe small talk topics. 3. Natural starters plus simple questions. 4. Natural responses. 5. A full conversation. 6. Repeat after me practice. Slow plus chunks. 7. Emotional tone training. 8. Advanced small talk strategies. Easy. 9. Common mistakes. 10. Real speech listening. 11. Role play. 12. Fluency test.
Take your time. Small talk is not about perfect grammar. It's about connection.
And before we continue, if you want more simple English speaking lessons like this every week, subscribe to Speak Easy English Show.
Yes, we practice real English conversations step by step here.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation.
It is not deep. It is not serious.
It helps people feel comfortable.
You use small talk at work, in class, at a cafe, or at a party. These topics are safe and common. Repeat after me. The weather, the weekend, work, studies, hobbies, movies, food, travel.
Now, simple topic questions. Repeat after me. How's the weather today? Pause. How was your weekend? Pause. What do you do? Pause. What are you studying? Pause. What do you like to do in your free time? Pause.
Good. These questions are easy and friendly.
To start small talk, you can say, "Hi, how are you?" Pause. "Nice to meet you." Pause. "How's your day going?" Pause. "Busy day today, right?" Pause.
Now natural responses. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. Pause. Pretty good. Pause. I'm okay. A little busy. Pause. Not bad. How about you? Pause.
Remember, short is okay. Short is natural. And if this lesson is helping you already, don't forget to subscribe.
That way, you won't miss our next English speaking practice lesson.
Now listen to a full small talk conversation, slow and clear.
Hi, Daniel. How's your day going?
Hi, Jessy. It's going well, thanks. A little busy. How about you?
Pretty good. I finished my work early today.
That's nice. Do you have any plans for the evening?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend for dinner.
Dinner nice. Where are you going?
We're trying a new restaurant downtown.
That sounds fun. I love trying new places.
Me too. What do you usually do after work?
I usually relax at home or watch a movie.
Sounds good. Enjoy your evening.
You too. Quick questions. 1. Was Daniel busy? Pause. Yes, a little busy. 2. What did Jessy finish? Pause. Her work. 3. What is Jessy doing in the evening? Pause. Meeting a friend for dinner. 4. Where are they going? Pause. A new restaurant downtown.
Great. You understood the details.
Repeat after me, slowly. 1. How's your day going? Pause 3 secu. Again. Pause. 2. It's going well, thanks. Pause. Again. Pause. 3. A little busy. Pause. Again. Pause. 4. How about you? Pause. Again. Pause. 5. Do you have any plans for the evening? Pause. Again. Pause. 6. I'm meeting a friend for dinner. Pause. Again. Pause. 7. That sounds fun. Pause. Again. Pause. 8. I usually relax at home. Pause. Again. Pause. 9. Enjoy your evening. Pause. Again. Pause.
Very good, clear, and natural.
Now we do it again in chunks. A little faster. Chunk A. How's your day going? It's going well, thanks. How about you? Pause. Chunk B. Do you have any plans for the evening? Yes, I'm meeting a friend for dinner. Pause. Chunk C. That sounds fun. Where are you going? We're trying a new restaurant downtown. Pause.
Nice. Your speaking is smoother.
If you enjoy this kind of calm, practical English practice, subscribe to the channel.
We make these lessons to help you speak more naturally and confidently.
Now, very important, small talk is about tone. If you say, "How's your day?" in a flat voice, it sounds bored.
How's your day?
That doesn't sound friendly.
Now, friendly tone. How's your day going? Repeat with a smile. Pause.
Now, calm tone. Pretty good. Repeat calmly. Pause.
Now, excited tone. That sounds great. Repeat with energy. Pause.
Your voice changes the meaning.
Strategy 1. The 3-step formula. Start, share, ask. Here is an easy formula. 1. Start. 2. Share one small detail. 3. Ask a question back.
Example. Hi, how's your day going? I'm good. I'm a little busy today. How about you?
Repeat after me. How's your day going? Pause. I'm good. I'm a little busy today. Pause. How about you? Pause.
Strategy 2. Echo plus add. Sound interested. Echo one word, then add a short sentence.
Example. I'm meeting a friend for dinner.
Dinner nice. Where are you going?
Repeat. Dinner nice. Pause. Movie fun. Pause. Weekend great. Pause. Coffee perfect. Pause.
Strategy 3. The 2-second rule. Stop awkward silence. If you don't know what to say, use a safe filler. Repeat. Oh, nice. Pause. That sounds good. Pause. Really? Pause. Ah, I see. Pause. Interesting. Pause.
These sentences buy you time.
Strategy 4. Compliment plus question. Instant connection. A small compliment is friendly.
Then ask a question. Repeat. I like your bag. Where did you get it? Pause. That's a nice watch. Is it new? Pause. Your English is very clear. Where are you from? Pause.
Strategy 5. Bridge topics. Change topics smoothly. Use a bridge. Repeat. By the way. Pause. Speaking of that. Pause. Actually. Pause. Oh, that reminds me. Pause.
Example. By the way, do you like coffee?
Strategy 6. Exit lines. End politely. To end small talk smoothly, use exit lines. Repeat. Nice talking to you. Pause. I have to go now. Pause. See you later. Pause. Have a good day. Pause.
Strategy 7. Awkward silence recovery. Restart. If it becomes quiet, ask a simple question. So, how's your week going? Pause. What do you usually do on weekends? Pause. Any plans for today? Pause.
Simple questions restart small talk. Mistake 1. What you do? What do you do? Repeat. What do you do? Pause.
Mistake 2. I am boring. I am bored. Repeat. I am bored. Pause.
Mistake 3. And you? Better. How about you? Repeat. How about you? Pause.
Small corrections, big difference.
How's it going?
That means, how is it going? Repeat slowly. How's it going? Pause.
What's up?
Informal for friends. Repeat. What's up? Pause.
Listening helps you feel confident in real situations. Now it's your turn. Speak out loud. Question 1. How's your day going? Pause. 6 sec.
It's going well. Pretty good. A little busy.
Question 2. Ask one small talk question. Pause. 6 sec.
How was your weekend? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any plans for today?
Question 3. Use echo plus add. Pause. 6 sec.
Weekend nice. What did you do? Coffee perfect. Do you like coffee?
Question 4. End the conversation politely. Pause. 6 sec.
Nice talking to you. I have to go now. See you later?
Nice. That is real small talk.
Remember, small talk is simple.
Short sentences are enough. Smile. Be curious. Listen. Now the fluency challenge. Imagine you meet someone at work or school. Speak for 30 seconds. Use this structure. Hi. How's your day? Share one small detail. Ask one question. Use one filler ID. End politely.
Pause the video now and speak for 30 seconds. Great job! That's real small talk practice.
Write 4-6 small talk lines in the comments.
Example. Hi, how's your day going? Pretty good. I'm a little busy. How about you? By the way, do you like coffee? Nice talking to you.
Next episode, After Work English Conversation. And if you want to keep improving your English with us, subscribe and join our learning community.
Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!